Hello guys, today we are going to see about Flutter and the basic structure of Flutter and how to display the text in our app. So let's get started. When you create a project, this is our basic project. If you click on this button, the number will increase like this. So similarly we can create apps. So let's get started. First let me clear this. First we have to import material widget. For that we have to use import keyword and type material. For the installation process, you can see refer my last video. Just type stl, sorry, and give a name called sample. So this is the stateless widget. This widget is used when there is no change in UI. Okay, we have to invoke this stateless widget in this void main function. RunApp is a function which makes our run app. MaterialApp is the root widget of our app, and home we have to call the sample, that is a stateless widget we have created here. That's it. Now we have to build it. Let's wait. Since we used the placeholder, we get this cross mark, and to remove, let's use Scaffold. Scaffold is like a basic primary widget used for every screen. By default, the background color of the scaffold will be white. Yes. In this we can use AppBar. Using AppBar widget, and we can add the title using text widget. My first app. And then we can add body. Here we can add the content text. That's it. By default, the color of the AppBar will be blue. So we can change it by changing the color. Background color, colors dot red. That's it. Here this is called status bar, and here the status bar is also in red color. To make it as black, we have to use save area. Just give wrap with widget and change it as save area, and just save it. We get the status bar. Now to make the text center, we have to wrap this widget with center. That's it. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe and follow my next video also.